What is up, guys? Another reaction. From the thumbnail, you know what time it is. You know what time it is, right? Yeah, Millions featuring Lotto Ash. Lotto Ash is from Lotto Boys. Yeah, the singer from Lotto Boys. How many times? So I think this video, was the left off from the last one when we were Jamaica. So you know, I have to touch it. So we are touching. So we don't waste some time. Them there Jamaica. Let's go. Let's go to Jamaica.
Hey, why you don't like?
I'm not breaking this one down, I'm reacting, so it's different, alright? Not pausing every 10 seconds, but I'm gonna pause a lot. Stay with me.
Look, I know that my ops them hate me. Too much money. Even when my girlfriend dumps me, all my side things will love me.
Alright, something I go on here, so. Cause them a play domino, them a gamble round the domino table, as you know, and liquor drink. Ray and him nephew there, only put $1,000 bill there. Guys, them $1,000 bill there, where you see, don't watch them. Don't watch them. One of them $1,000 there about 5 UK pound. Don't watch them. Don't watch them, guys. Them lame. Yeah, them lame. Alright, let's go.
Too much money. Even when my girlfriend dumps me, all my side things will love me. Bad being pink, drink and overthink. I laugh every time that my ops go broke. Man, them I feel it.
I laugh every time my ops go broke. Money up, yo.
Drink and overthink. I laugh every time that my ops go broke. Man, them I feel it.
Man, them have to win. I laugh every time my apps go broke. So them gamble, see the boom, the big up boom.
How many times? How many times I secure this wine? How many times did my friends them lie? How many times?
How many times? How many times them lie? How many times that girl there tell lie? Yo, which part of Jamaica this? I think I look at Port Royal.
How many times? How many times did I slide on guys when I'm too famous? How many times?
How many times have I been on bail? Feds want to investigate further.
How many times have I been on bail because I'm trying to investigate further? How many times?
Got a legal visit from Thames Valley Feds by Oxford murder.
Ah?
Sliding guys and I'm too famous.
How many times have I been on bail? Feds want to investigate further. And my cell got a legal visit from Thames Valley Feds by Oxford murder.
So himself got a illegal visit from Thames Valley. Thames Valley is a police in the Oxfordshire area and the surrounding area. So how many times is my cell got a legal visit? So basically, the police want to pay him for a murder we're going in Oxford. That's what the boss say. You know?
This cat won't sign but the phone can get more dough if he goes cash converter. Girl, if you broke, I can cash convert ya. To you pretty little miss-tool worker.
If you're broke, baby, me can cash convert you. If you're broke, me can cash convert you. You hear the man tell her that? You hear the man tell her? Alright.
Some man for just second, talking about meckle. Allow it, you niggas ain't active. When I had no bed sheets, jump on my head, I can't make my skin touch this blue mattress.
Huh?
If you broke, I can cash convert ya. To you pretty little miss-tool worker. Some man for just second, talking about meckle. Allow it, you niggas ain't active. When I had no bed sheets, jump on my head, I can't make my skin touch this blue mattress.
When I had no bed, what? Why said so? When I had no bed, what?
Allow it, you niggas ain't active. When I had no bed sheets, jump on my head, I can't make my skin touch this blue mattress.
When I had no bed, I jump on my head, that him say? Him can make him head touch a bare mattress. That him say?
Come I got taught out to whip, I just practice until I was match fit. Sat along on my hip, I'm gone with the win if the boys try and hold man captive.
Hate me.
So some premiums are going here, so. Run the gambling table. Some of them, some fuckery go on here now. So the boss I go see what go on. Let me see what
too much money. Even when my girlfriend dumps me, all my side things will love me. Bad being pink.
Oh, them police are there, Jamaica.
Too much money. Even when my girlfriend dumps me, all my side things.
Oh, so this is what? This is supposed to be Interpol. I look for Millions. But the man of favor Millions still in the dog from the side of the Millions. Are you following this, brother? The man favor your dog. You see, that's why the police them have the poster right here. So I look at him, figure look at him now. Yo, you see the man here? No, the man look like K.𝐂𝐊𝐃. Oh, wait.
Bad being pink, drink and overthink. I laugh every time that my ups go broke. Man, them I feel it. How many times? How many times? How many times 𝐂𝐀𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍? Yeah, how many times did my friends them lie?
Yo, me rate M1llionz for a number of reasons. M1llionz is I do it so big outside of the UK. It might get like a music I go everywhere. A music that you tell us active. That you tell active. You're fuck. Very active. M1llionz active like I don't know.
How many times? How many times? How many times did I slide on guys and I'm too famous to go outside? How many times?
How many times have I sent man money, but when I was locked, man didn't get a penny?
How many times have I spent my money?
How many times?
How many times have I sent man money, but when I was locked, man didn't get a penny? How many times have my bro had a madness and told me to come, I was already ready?
Bumbo clot. Ready! Ready to blood clot, Millie ready. How many times my friend them call me and say, yo, ready, Mr. Ready?
When I was locked, man didn't get a penny. How many times have my bro had a madness and told me to come, I was already ready? How many times did I turn on the telly, see something get taped, bro showed me already? How many times was it? How many times? But I did it again, car fuck it, I'm quiffy.
Me no fuck I go on this side now. Me no fuck I go on, cause from me see how the man them a pre Ash. Me no fuck I go on, you said dog. So obviously, Ash make the call and say, yo, Millie, them boy are trying to think in a brother. Roll up with the Glock 19, make a burn them bumper class skin with a bad girl. What?
All them commentators are brass. Oh, now I ain't seen a rich man hating. Everywhere they go, they see M1llionz face. I know they get pissed when a girlfriend plays him. Shit, spent like 20 last week. I need to fix up and do some saving.
Spend like 20 last week, 20 grand last week, and I need to fix up and do some savings. Them girl up on the car look hot though. No joke.
Fuck that man ain't saving. Need to top charts and boom some cash.
Fuck that man not save. So the police have a trail him and now not the police. Okay.
Me, too much money. Even when my girlfriend dumps me, all my side things so love me. Bad being pink, drink and overthink. I laugh every time that my ups go broke. Man, them I feel it.
Now you can sing, you know, Ash can sing, you fuck, you know. Ash voice just unique. Big up Lotto boys. Ash voice just unique.
How many times? How many times? How many times 𝐂𝐀𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍? Yeah, how many times did my friends them lie? How many times? How many times? How many times did I slide on guys when I'm too famous to go outside? How many times?
Manly, the manly money. The person with the money is Manly. Michael Manly.
Too much money. Even when my girlfriend dumps me, all my side things so love me. Bad being pink.
The man them gone left for no. Man them gone left for no, officer. Call it a loss.
Drink and overthink. I laugh every time that my ups go broke. Man, them I feel it. How many times? How many times? Yeah. How many times 𝐂𝐀𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍? How many times did my friends them lie?
One thing though, him nah left him Browning behind, you know. Remember saying, no, when the video start, him and the Browning walk out of the sea because them go fishing. So him still a roll with her, him nah left her behind. Even though him wanted she and Bonnie and Clyde shit, she did it with him. She not leaving him. Right now, him a jump on a taxi plane, a private jet. Him a cut.
How many times? How many times did I slide on guys and I'm too famous to go?
Frustration is a bitch, officer. Where me go? You can't see me. John Cena, motherfucker. Can't see me. Directed by Shuffer. Oh, video producer J Will. Me know, you know. Me didn't have the feeling, you know. J Will, big up yourself. J Will is one of the Jamaican leading video producer in Jamaica. So big up J Will, big up J Will. Security, 876 protection. Okay, the security there as well. Trailer rigging, naval cement equipment. Okay, casting, PA runner. Okay, art director. Yo, a proper shit, the man and the man. Me know say a Port Royal in the people, look ya. Me know a Port Royal, man. Me know a Port Royal, man. Me know a Port Royal. This is one next one I come. Him always do this. Him always do this. I mean, always look forward to them. This is our next one. I'm ready that you tell you fuck.
Yo, I don't know what it is, but this one's different. I can't lie, she does certain to me.
Bumbleclaw, yo, me rate that. Yo, me rate that, brother, yeah, you fuck millions, me rate you, brother. No joke, dog. Brother, you're there all over the globe, dog. All over the globe, I put it. Dog. Big up yourself, Guys, this is how I'm going to end the video, yeah. It was a reaction, it wasn't a breakdown. It was a reaction. So, big up on yourself, like back up on shelf. You see me? Have a good and productive weekend, dog. If you can't be good, be lucky. If you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing neither, you know. You hear that? Out.